YouTube videos getting dark on Android, fix brightness dimming bug. Are your YouTube videos suddenly too dark on your Android device? Let's fix the brightness bug together. So first, go ahead and open settings, and then on your settings, go ahead and head over to the display and brightness settings. So go ahead and click on display and brightness from here, and then in here, make sure to disable adaptive brightness. So turn off adaptive brightness into your display settings. Second is to disable battery saver mode, so which often dims your screen during playback. So scroll up to your control center and then make sure to disable the battery saver. Third is to go ahead and enable HDR playback. So go ahead and open YouTube into your Android device, and then once you're on YouTube, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here, click on the settings icon at the top right, and then in here, go ahead and adjust your HDR settings. So make sure to toggle off HDR and video brightness comparison. And that is how you can basically fix YouTube videos getting dark on Android.